everyone, welcome back to the Analytical Coding. From today, we are starting a new series that is Power BI Visual Selection Series, where we don't just learn visuals, we learn when and why to use them. Because in real business scenarios, choosing the wrong visual can completely change the story our data tells. And today, we are starting with one of the most commonly used but often misunderstood visuals, that is bar and column charts. So, in this video, we will answer all these questions. So, let's get started. Firstly, why do we even need bar or column charts? Right? So, bar and column charts are primarily used for comparison. Whenever our data has discrete categories like region, state, product category, and you want to compare performance between them, so this is your go to visual. If your goal is ranking, comparing, or identifying highest versus lowest, you should immediately think of bar or column chart. And now, so when to use bar chart and when to use column chart, right? So, bar and column chart are visually different, but analytically they are the same. The only difference is orientation. So, column chart is vertical, bar chart is horizontal. So, how do we decide? So, we use column chart when category names are short and also when we want a natural left to right comparison. And we use bar chart when category names are long and we have many categories and when we want better readability and ranking clarity. So the choice between bar chart and column is mostly about readability but not analysis. Going into the third question, difference between clustered, stacked and 100% stacked chart, right? So here we are just showing column chart. I took clustered column chart, okay, and in the x-axis I have added state, y-axis is for sum of states, and now when I try to add region column, then it gets directly added into legend category. Now whenever we add a column into legend category, you can see how our x-axis got divided, right? So for each state we can see all the regions, that is the legend we have added. For each state our bar got divided into four categories of regions, right? Now we can compare them easily. So here I just took clustered column chart, right? So now let us understand them deeply. So let us first understand clustered column chart. So here when I go to focus mode, so this is our clustered column chart. So let us say management asks which region performs better within each state. So here we will be using clustered column chart because clustered column chart allows precise comparison. You can see easily which region is highest inside Florida and New York and also California, etc. Right? So clustered charts are best when our goal is side by side comparison, ranking within the groups, and identifying differences clearly. Okay, so this is about clustered column chart. And now going to the stacked column chart. This is our stacked column chart, right? Even this is same. X-axis we have state, y-axis says legend, it is region, right? Now let us understand this stacked column chart. So now suppose the business asks what is the total sales of each state and how is it composed by region. So now we switch to the stacked column. So what changes? Now the total height represents total state sales and colors inside them shows the contribution from each region. So this visual answers which state is biggest overall. So we can see it's Florida, right? What contributes to the total? We can see how each region contributes to its total. And even by looking at the visual, we are clear that this region, that is East, contributes more compared to other regions for this Florida sales, right? So we can easily compare which state is bigger and also what contributes to that. But remember, stack charts are not good for precise comparison of middle segments. So they are built for contribution, not exact comparison. So clustered column chart is for comparison, whereas stacked is for contribution. Now going to the third one, that is 100% stacked chart, right? So when we go to focus mode of this 100% stacked chart, so now imagine management says ignore total revenue I only want to see the distribution of regions within each state. Okay. Now, here we use 100% stacked column because every column becomes 100% here. Okay. So now we are only comparing its proportions. So this chart answers the questions like which states depends more on west region. So here west is of this purple color, right? So which state? So we can see. So we can see these two states having more sales from the west region, right? Because we can easily compare of this 100% distribution. Now we can easily compare the regions, right? And also it answers the questions like which state has balanced distribution, right? So we can see. So which has equal distribution from each region as well, right? So this visual removes revenue bias completely. So it is perfect when you care about structure but not size, right? So 100% stacked is about distribution. Okay. So we are clear that cluster chart is for comparison, like comparing values directly against each other. So bars are side by side, easy to compare exact magnitude. Coming to the stack, it is for contribution, understanding how parts make up a total, right? How much of Florida sales comes from east or west, right? So here we care about total along with breakdown together, right? Now coming to the 100% stacked, it is about distribution, understanding structure or proportion only. So which state is most dependent on one region, right? So now total size doesn't matter, only percentage matters. So comparison is about size difference, contribution is about what builds the size, and distribution is about percentage structure. So remember, a visual doesn't change the data. It changes what the viewer sees first, right? So this is about different types of column or bar charts we are having. And at last, let me give you one powerful tip. So always sort your bar or column chart. So unsorted charts looks confusing and reduce clarity. So sorting instantly improves readability and professionalism, right? So that is it for today's videos. In the next part of the series, we will talk more about the other visuals. So see you in the part 2. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.